This is the outfit Prince chose to wear for a sound check in 1991. You know, dressing down. Just casual street clothes. What a legend. Dearly beloved, we have gathered here today to get through this thing called sound check.
1, 2, 1, 2. Little more. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
Dearly beloved, we're gathered here today to get through this thing called sound check.
I can't imagine how stressful it must have been being a member of Prince's band, knowing however good you were at your instrument. And you were good, or you wouldn't be there. Dude was better at it than you.